My dear brothers and sisters, have you ever wondered how Jesus will judge us at the end of our life? In the Gospel today, Jesus gives a very simple answer. He says, "I was hungry and you gave me food. I was thirsty and you gave me drink. Whatever you did for one of the least of my brothers and sisters, you did it to me." The Lord is telling us that heaven is not about big achievements. It is about love. It is about the simple, quiet acts of kindness that we do each day. When you feed your family with patience, you are loving Jesus. When you listen to someone who is hurting, you are caring for Jesus. When you forgive, when you help, when you choose to be kind, you are serving Him. Lent is our chance to open our eyes. And Jesus is closer than we think. He is present in the hungry, the lonely, the tired, even in the difficult people around us. So today, let us choose one simple act of love. In loving the least, we are loving Christ Himself. Amen.